What's up, family? What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and on the post notification bell. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for sticking this thing with your girl. And today's video is going to be about this whole look, like the simple makeup tutorial. And if you've not watched my previous makeup tutorial, I'm going to put it on the I think the right button, upper corner. Yeah, so you guys can go back and watch. But this is a updated makeup tutorial, and this requires a foundation. The previous one I did, it had no foundation required. This one I use a foundation, which I'm going to put all the products in the description box for you to know, and if you want to purchase it someday, you can go ahead. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Feel me.
Decay lip gel. Beside my Fenty Beauty, I like to use this lip gel. It sticks so long and it sticks like it's really big. We're gonna use the final step. We're gonna use our Urban Decay All Nighter again, finally, like the last round. And we're done, baby. Sheesh. We're done, baby. Let's get an apple. Final look. Loca. We're done. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while, but don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.